See, a big part of eating vegan is experimenting. Simple. Just go in the fridge and go AWOL. Grab some mushrooms, baby bellows, saute them up, some onions, fresh garlic, red bell peppers, baby kale, all of that organic, of course. Try to eat organic most of the times, probably about 90% maybe. Underneath that, those tomatoes. We got some good old hummus. You know how I do with that. Got some vegan mayo. Yup, I found some vegan Hellmann's. So no veganese this time. Some toasted bread. That's how you lay it down. Vegan biz style. Health is wealth.